Hello, welcome to the technical analysis of CleanSpark. CleanSpark is bouncing against the main trend. Expect tests as price moves into resistance. Today, the stock is gained by 3.0%, and the 30-day trend points to a downtrend. There is a short-term bounce above the 9-day EMA, but price is still below the 50 and 200-day EMAs, keeping the bigger picture cautious. There is an upward gap between $9.93 and $10.09 that is still open. A full gap fill would imply roughly a 16.0% pullback from current levels. A falling short-term regression channel is capping price near $19.14. As long as price stays below this short-term resistance, downside pressure dominates. A decisive daily close above this line would be the first warning that the short-term downtrend is starting to lose control. Mid-term resistance is clustered near $13.63. Between the mid-term and long-term objectives, an extra resistance band appears near $18.61. After reaching the measured objective and its extensions, price is now in a corrective pullback. If buyers defend this retracement area, the potential recovery path is $19.03, long-term target, then $22.36, 1.618 extension, then $27.74, 2.618 extension. The long-term roadmap is in a build phase with 2 of 4 confirmations in place: downtrend break, volume above 120% of the 20-day average, and prior high cleared, EMA 50 reclaimed, still pending. Based on the prior impulse, a reasonable completion window is about 70 to 130 sessions, or roughly 20.0 weeks. Invalidation sits near $9.06 on a decisive daily close below that level. RSI is showing early signs of recovery, but MACD is still weak for now. In a similar MACD cycle between August 29 and October 21st, the price saw an increase of around 98.2%. From a long-term perspective, price remains inside the broader trend channel on the longer-term view. Zooming into the latest short-term trading channel, price is hovering near the lower edge of its short-term channel, close to support. Adding a Fibonacci roadmap on top of the structure, the price is trading below the 78%, 12.17 Fibonacci retracement level, with the 61% retracement near 14.62 below. The upcoming Fibonacci extension targets are around 27.57, Fib 1.27, and then 32.60, Fib 1.62. Looking at CleanSpark today, the market is giving us a neutral read overall. The recent price action has been forming a structure that many traders are watching closely. From a trend perspective, the price is currently below its medium-term moving averages, and this positioning helps set the tone for the broader direction. Momentum indicators add another layer to the picture. RSI is hovering around 40.0, while MACD is below its signal line, which hints at fading pressure in the current swing. In terms of activity, volume is elevated compared to its 20-day average, and volatility, measured by ATR, is holding relatively steady. Together, these shape the energy behind the next potential move. The main tactical trigger to keep on the radar is around $13.66. If price manages to close above $13.66 and MACD confirms the move, this could unlock a continuation type setup. On the defensive side, the key invalidation area is near $9.060, where this roadmap would start to lose its reliability. After reaching its long-term measured move objective, price is now in a pullback, pulling back toward the Fibonacci 61% area near $14.12. If buyers manage to defend this retracement pocket, an upside path to monitor is $19.03. Long-term target, 22.36, 1.618 extension, 27.74, 2.618 extension. On the map ahead, we are tracking the next resistance around $11.98, support near $11.60, a midterm target around $13.66. Overall, the structure is becoming clearer, and the coming sessions are likely to decide whether this setup develops into a continuation move or rolls into a deeper corrective phase. Here are the latest updates for CleanSpark. The most recent headline is CleanSpark Inc. CLSK Q4 2025 Earnings Call Highlights, Record Revenue and Strategic Expansion Plans. Earnings Flash, CLSK, CleanSpark posts FY25 revenue, $766.3 million, versus FactSet est of $774.5 million. Market screener 12 hours ago. A look at CleanSpark's valuation following strong earnings and buyback announcement. Simply Wall Street, 4 hours ago. That wraps up this technical analysis on CleanSpark. If you found it helpful, consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel so you do not miss future updates. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.